Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check QR code not working on the Android, how to fix it. So let's start. So first, well, you have to open your camera. In some phones it's different than the others ones. For example, in mine, I have the option that says lens. In this option, you can check all the QR with Google Lens without any problem, and you can scan it. But if you don't have this option, well, also you can check on the options that said settings. Just go to the three lines in the right corner and go to settings, and here will appear the option that says scan QR codes. In case that it doesn't appear, so well, you have the option that I told you that it's Google Lens. And in case that you don't have any option, well, you have to download apps for scan QR codes. Just go to Google Play Store and looking for QR code scanner, and then you will have many options here for do it. Now, also you can restart the phone in case that you have the option on the camera and it doesn't work. Well, I recommend you to restart the phone, and maybe with this, again, the scan code will work again. So, well, guys, I hope some of this option helps you to fix this problem. If it helps you, remember to subscribe and give like to this video.